my name is Debbie Reynolds. They call me the Data Diva. Today I want to talk about data privacy and Google's accelerated mobile pages, or AMP. So Google created these pages, they're called accelerated mobile pages, as a result of the fact that they know that people, not everyone who has, for example, a website on the internet has kind of the fastest website or maybe even the prettiest website, especially when people are looking at websites and things on mobile devices and tablets. So the initial purpose behind the accelerated mobile pages was to sort of create, I don't know, prettiness of people's websites and be able to have people look at people's websites in a way that is kind of formatted for mobile or formatted for tablets, and to make it kind of faster. However, recently, I think Brave and DuckDuckGo created a feature around blocking these types of pages. So they consider it a privacy concern, because what it's basically doing on the back end is, although it's serving up kind of that page or that veneer for you to be able to interact with the page, people are concerned that having Google do those types of things sort of extends their tracking beyond kind of you searching for data on the internet. So right now, if you search for data on the internet and you go to a website, once you're on the website, kind of Google wouldn't be sort of tracking at that point, really, or should be, what you're doing on that website. But being able to use these kind of mobile pages means that they're sort of involved in that transaction, and these browsers are looking to find ways to sort of stop kind of surreptitious tracking of people, especially when they land on websites that they want to go to, right? So they created, I think Brave, for example, I think it's called DAMP. They're creating ways for people to say, to tell a Google browser or Chrome browser, when I go to a website, I want to see the actual website. I don't want to see these AMP type of pages. So I think, this is pretty interesting. I think a lot of people didn't really realize that this is happening on the internet. And a lot of it really started, I think it was about 4 years ago, Google started this, and for the purpose that not everyone had an up-to-date website, not everyone's website is mobile friendly, but I would say probably any website that was created probably within the last 4 to 5 years is probably already mobile friendly, and they may not need this type of thing. I think websites that are not mobile first or mobile friendly, they should probably, if your website hasn't been updated in 5 years or so, it probably is a good idea to just do that, because that way you wouldn't, or Google or other search engines wouldn't try or wouldn't need to try to create these kind of web pages or web experiences, because your web page would already be something that could be formatted for different ways that people look at stuff, whether it's on desktop, on mobile, or in tablets. So it remains to be seen how other browsers or other search tools handle this, but I think it was pretty interesting that both Brave and DuckDuckGo decided to do this with these Google AMP pages. That's it. Thank you.